In this video of FreeCAD series, we will talk about polar pattern or axial pattern. Axial pattern sometimes can be very useful, especially when we are creating a circular object, and then in that circular object there are certain features that are identical and we want to create multiple instances of it. For example, here let's say there is a circular plate and I would like to create 4 of the same hole across certain diameter. And of course one can also prefer conventional way, but if you want speed then you will prefer pattern instead of copying and pasting, or maybe creating the same replica. And again, I'm gonna say it is not limited to hole. Maybe I will be showing you 2 such examples. Alright, so first of all here, in order to create polar pattern of it, I am going to select hole. Now let's click on this polar pattern, and here you can see you're gonna have these options. First one is extend, second one is spacing, and we also saw the meaning of it in case of linear pattern, but again you will understand when I'm gonna put, let's say, more number of occurrence. So here you can see when we are selecting spacing, we are defining the angle, and then despite we have more number of occurrence, here in this case 5, it is kind of getting overlap because we have defined the spacing to be 120 degree. Now if I make it 10 degree, you're gonna see how all of these instances are in 10 degree. Now if I select instead of spacing, extend, here you're gonna see that this value is now 360 degree. So in this way guys, we can think of how many instances we need. When I compare it with another softwares like PTZ Creo Parametric, I still see that there is 2D polar pattern which is still missing. But still I would say this is a free software and we are getting nearly perfect platform. So that's how guys we can create polar pattern. We also understand the meaning of extend as well as gap. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam for more such engineering related tutorials, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.